Okay, I start recording already.
Okay. Kita nombor berapa ni? Oi, nak buat apa weh?
You can ask question about mathematics here lah. For the group one, the grammar max. If you got any questions, you can ask now and solve together.
Macam
So any questions?
Oi, diam weh. Kau mai.
Ada soalan. Cuba tunjuk apa tu? Tutor 3 tu macam nak buat.
Huh? Repeat.
Tutor 3 of
Tutorial 3. Chapter 1 or 2?
Tu.
2. Chapter 2, Tutorial 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Questions?
Nombor 1.
Questions 1, A, B, C, or D?
Can we discuss all of it?
Huh?
Can we discuss all of it?
Okay. So, questions A, modulus x. You need to change the modulus to the right hand side. So become plus minus 3. So we'll get x equal to negative 3 and 3, positive 3. Okay.
Alright, okay.
And then B, change the modulus from left hand side to right hand side. Become plus minus 7. So x plus 2 equal to 7 and x plus 2 equal to negative 7. So you can solve it and you'll get x equal to negative 9 and positive 5. Okay. Understand?
Faham.
Okay. So C, first of all, you need to take the negative 4 to the right hand side, become plus 4. So we'll get 7. And then change the modulus to right hand side, become plus minus 7. And then you can solve it by positive 7 and negative 7. So you kira, then you get x equal to negative 2 and positive 5. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
And then for D also is the same. You need to change the modulus to the right hand side first. So you bracket 5x plus 4. And then beside you add plus minus. So when positive plus 5x plus 4 got here. And then negative 5x minus 4 here. And you kira, you get x equal to negative 4 and 0. Okay ah.
Yeah, okay.
Yang D tu kan, kenapa dia ambil kosong je?
Yang mana?
Kan jawapan dia kosong je, dia tak ambil negatif 4.
Ada negative 4 lah. So modulus you'll get 2 answers.
Tak lah
Because-
mursyid. Dia kena check lah mursyid.
Oh, dia check eh?
Kan
check
Oh.
the answer.
Yang kena tak X kat sebelah tu eh?
tak, dia
Bagi
kena check left hand side dengan right hand side tu sama ke tak.
Oh.
I didn't do that.
Kalau tak sama tu maksudnya tu bukan jawapan lah.
Oh.
Oh, negative 4. Tak sama left hand side and right hand side.
So yang sama tu 0 tu je.
Oh, 0
Kat tu tak
saja.
sama pun.
So A to D, any questions?
No.
No. Then we go to E. I think it's just the same one. The first method, first step, you need to change the modulus to right hand side. Become plus minus bracket 10 minus 3x. Then you can solve it. Any other questions? I think questions 1 is easy lah, not that difficult. Hello. Instead of questions 1, any other questions?
Ada. Cuba tunjuk nombor 2, tutor 2.
Nombor 2, tutor 2.
Soalan D.
Nombor 2, tutor 2. This one.
Ya.
Okay. Wait. Okay, for these questions, first of all, you do the in front one first. 3x plus 4 less than x squared minus 6. You solve this one first, and then after you solve this one, you solve the behind one. X squared minus 6 less than 9 minus 2x. You solve one by one, equation one by one. So 3x plus 4 less than x squared minus 6. So you pindah 3x to behind. You'll get x squared minus 3x, and then 4 move to the right hand side become negative 4. So we'll get negative 6 minus 4, negative 10. After that, you factorize, and the answer will be x more than 5 and x more than negative 2. So you can draw the graph. So when you are going to draw a graph, you need to see what is the A. A is in front x squared, so 1 more than 0, so the graph will be a smiley face like this. Okay, and then more than 0. More than 0, you need to draw above the line here. You hitamkan. So here is negative 2, here is negative 2, and here is 5. So we'll get x more than 5. Here, x more than 5. And x less than 2 here. And then the second equation, x squared minus 6 less than 9 minus 2x. So pindah will become x squared plus 2x minus 15 less than 0. So you factorize, we'll get 3 and negative 5. So we draw another graph here. Then we see the A equal nothing, so it's 1, smiley face. And then you put negative 5 here and positive 3 here. And we see the symbol before 0, less than 0, so we need to hitamkan here. So we'll get x is between negative 5 and 3. So, and then the answer interception. Okay. So the answer will be negative 5 and negative 2, because here we got x more than 5, x less than negative 2, and x between negative 5 and 3. When you want to find the intersection area, x more than 5, how to say, you can't find the x because x less than 3. So, and x less than 5, you cannot find the x. So we can only take negative 5 and negative 2. Because they have the intersection point there. Hold on. Okay.
Okay.
Really okay.
Okay
Okay,
je.
okay.
So yeah, you can draw a number line for these questions. Easy lah. Negative 5 here. And then negative 2, 3, and 5. So you need to find the intersection area. So 5, you more than 5, so the arrow is like this. Less than 3, less than 5, and then less than 2. The only intersection point is here only, between negative 5 and negative 2. So therefore the answer will be negative 5 and negative 2. You can also write like this. That's all. Okay. So, any other questions?
Ada.
Mana?
Cuba tunjuk yang tutor 1 soalan 2D.
Tutor 1, 2D. Okay, this one. This one? these questions, first of all, we need to times 6. Because here got the denominator below here, you need to solve the below one first. Make it become non-fractions. So times 6. So 3 here will become 1. And then 2x times 2 become negative 4x. And the 2 here become 1. And then 6 becomes 3 times together become 9 minus 3x. The symbol doesn't change and the 6 here cancel it. So become 1 plus 5x. This the one I changed becomes 6 per 6. Okay. Then we can solve it lah. Negative 4x minus 5x become negative 12x. And then less than or equal to negative 8. 1 plus minus 9 become negative 8. When we divide something which is negative, the symbol will terbalik. So become x more than 2 over 3. So when more than, we'll get x, we'll get the answer 2 over 3, comma, infinity symbol. Bracket. Okay?
Okay.
NCC.
Hah?
Number 2.
Number 2. Any other questions?
Actually,
Hả?
2 to 3
Touch what?
question.
Hả?
2 to 3.
Tutor 3,
Yeah. Number 2, B.
2B. Or 2B, I also don't know. You see the circle here.
Stuck eh? Explain C lah.
C à?
Nak tanya.
C. C, first you need to change the modulus. So we'll see here. If here is positive less than, so the first step we need to change the sign become terbalik and add negative. And then we got two equations here. You silent the same one here. Two equations, one is the same and another one you need to change the symbol become terbalik and add negative to it. So the first equations we do the one which we change the symbol one first. So 2x plus 1 more than negative bracket 3x plus 2. And then you open the bracket become negative 3x minus 2. So we can solve the equations and we'll get x more than or equal to -3/5. Then another equations, the same equation, we didn't change the symbol. So we solve the same equation from the questions. So 2x plus 1 less than 3x plus 2. We'll kira, then we'll get x more than or equal to -1. Until here, okay. Until here first.
Yeah, okay.
So, and then we can draw a number line to see to see the answer. So for the question which the symbol is less than or equal to or less than only, the answer will be the answer will be union. Hey, that is not union, is intercept. Interception. So for if the question is more than or equal to or only more than, we need to find the union. So for these questions, the symbol is less than or equal to. We need to find their intersections area. So when we draw a number line, so you can see the -1 here and -3/5 here. Their intersection area is here, more than -5. So we can get the answer is equal, the symbol is like this. So the answer will be -3/5, infinity. Or you can write it as x more than or equal to -3/5. Okay.
Okay, paham.
You really understand.
Yeah, okay.
If you don't understand, I can explain more.
Zul, nak tanya apa tadi Zul? Zul.
Tak tolong eh.
Tengoklah. Mana soalannya baik?
Saya bawa aku panggil tadi. Ni. Yang apa tu? Yang hot last kali tu, hot gara-gara itu. Aku tak nak faham nak buat macam mana.
Hah?
Tu yang last lepas dapat X tu kan. Tu kena buat yang buat garis betul tu. Tu aku tak pernah faham kan.
Here, the number lines or which part you don't understand?
Tu yang nak tulis jawapan akhir tu.
Or the jawaban. This kind of bracket, something like half square one, is got the equal sign one, like more than or less than or equal to the sign like this. Got the sign like this one. We'll take this kind of bracket, and then the one without the equal to sign, the line down here one, less than or more than, we use this kind of bracket. So the answer is x more than or equal to negative 3/5. So the unknown is right hand side here. If less is here, if our answer is less than or equal to -5, the answer will be infinity is in left hand side and the -3/5 is here. If our answer is like this lah. If our answer is x less than or equal to -3/5, our answer will be like this. So now the question is, the answer is more than, so the answer is like this.
Oh, okay.
Anything else?
Ya, I tu macam mana?
I yang I tu, the answer I don't understand eh. So the I one, I got the answer is like this, but the answer in the schema there is like this: x equal to x, and then got the r. I think this one we need to ask teacher. The schema jawaban.
R tu.
Yang R tu saya tak faham. Kenapa R?
R is real number.
Ah,
Apa dah?
real number.
Oh.
So, any other questions?
Hish.
H.
Hmm.
Okay, this one I know. So first of all, we need to change the modulus first. So we have two equations. One is you change the symbol negative less than or equal to, you terbalikkan become more than or equal to, and then you add negative to the right hand side, become plus positive one. And the another equations you salin balik, but no need to add the modulus anymore. So you'll get the equation of x plus 2 less than negative 1, the same one. So have two equations and two answers. X more than negative 1 and x less than or equal to negative 3. Well, then we need to draw a number lines. So you need to classify whether the answer of questions is union or intercept. You need to see the symbol. This one, if it is less than or equal to or less than only, the answer will be intercept form. And then if here the symbol is more than or equal to or more than only, you need to find the answer of union. So for these questions, the symbol is less than or equal to. You need to find the intersection area. So you draw the number line with these two answers here. Okay. So you draw the number line. The interception point, you don't have the interception point because the interception point should be between both of them, but there's nothing here. The arrow is in the both side. So nothing here, so the answer will be empty set. Nothing inside. You can draw the x equal to empty set or just Google to the bracket like this. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Kupang.
Betul paham.
Betul. Serius.
Okay. Any other questions? Any other questions?
Haiki,
Oh,
cuba tunjuk yang tutur 2 soalan 1D dengan E.
soalan di 1D.
Tutur 2 soalan 1D.
This one.
Ya,
Okay.
dengan E.
D and E.
Ya.
Okay. So the question D, 4x squared less than 1. So you change the 4 multiple become dy x squared less than 1 over 4. So the square here becomes square root. So the answer is x less than plus minus 1 over 2. Square root 1 over 4 become...
Haiki,
Hah?
macam mana boleh jadi 1/4 tu?
Yang 4 ini because here is 4 times dengan x square, that will become 4x square. So we need to change the 4 from left hand side to right hand side here. 4 multiple become dy, so we'll get 1 over 4. 1 divide 4. So it's 1 over 4 lor.
Okay.
Okay, and then the square becomes square root. So when we square root, we'll get plus minus for the answer. Because negative 1 over 2 times negative 1 over 2, you'll get 1 over 4 also. And then positive 1 over 2 times positive 1 over 2, the answer is 1 over 4 also. So therefore, there will be plus and minus the answer. Then with the two answer we get, we can draw a number line. So the A is 4 more than 0. So we can draw a smiley number line, the smiley face, and then the 1 we change less than 0. 1 we change into here, change here become 0, so less than 0. The area we need to hitamkan is below 0, is here, because less than 0. Okay.
Okay.
So the answer is the x is between negative 1 over 2 and positive 1 over 2. Here. Okay.
Okay.
So we move to questions E. X squared more than or equal to 25. You move the square to right hand side, becomes square root. So square root 25 will get positive and negative 5. And then we need to draw the graph like this. So we see the A first. A is 1 here. So 1 is more than 0, a smiley graph. And then negative 5 we put here and positive 5 here. And then we see the symbol more than or equal to. So the part will be up here. The part we need to hitamkan is up here, above the line, the number line. So the answer is x less than 5, less than negative 5, union with x more than 5. Okay.
Okay.
question F need.
Tutorial 3 nombor 1G.
1G. Okay. 1G. First, change the modulus also lah. Become plus minus 7. And then we expand the bracket. You open the bracket, become x squared minus 4x minus 5 equal to plus minus 7. You expand the bracket. And then we got two equations here because here is plus minus 7. One is positive 7 and another one is negative 7. So x squared minus 4x minus 5 equal to 7. Now we factorize, we kira, and we'll get x equal to 6 and negative 2. And another equations, x squared minus 4x minus 5 equal to negative 7. And then kira, we'll get x equal to 2 minus sub2 and 2 plus sub2. And then we rearrange, become x equal to negative 2, comma 2 minus sub2, comma 2 plus sub2 and 6. We got 4 answers here for x. Actually, for this kind of questions, the first step is cancel the modulus, change the modulus to right hand side. Then you'll find two equations and you can solve it already. Okay.
Yang set tu dapat macam mana?
Or you just use your calculator that made the factorization. So the second equation is the x squared minus 4x minus 5 equal to negative 7. So you change the negative 7 from right hand side to left hand side. We'll get plus 2. And then we use the calculator to factorize. So we'll get 2 minus sub2 and 2 plus sub2. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Any questions? If you do not have any questions anymore, then we can end here.
Last. Ada soalan.
Okay.
Tutor 3, 1H.
1H, GH. Here. Too small. Okay. First, when both sides got the modulus, so we need to use, I think they got the rules like that. We add the square root and put the square here. I think inside the lecture got, you see the lecture, lecture page 5. There is a rules like the modulus, we can change it become square root and square. You see lecture page 5. You'll see the formula like this. The square root a, modulus a can change into square root a square. So when both sides got the modulus, we need to change the modulus become square root and square. By now, okay? Until here.
Okay.
Then we can cancel the square root. Then we'll left x, the square only, x minus 1 bracket square equal to 2 minus 3x bracket square. So we expand, cancel, you expand, then we'll get x squared minus 2x plus 1 equal to 4 minus 12x plus 9x squared. So we move the numbers here to left hand side. So we will get negative 8x squared plus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. So we factorize and we'll get the answer x equal to 3 over 4 and 1 over 2. Okay.
Okay, dah faham dah.
Any questions?
No question.
No questions then. So we stop here. Any more questions? If not, I stop sharing and we will end here. Yeah.
Tak ada soalan dah.
Then we end here lor.
Thank you, Kaiki.
Welcome.
Thank you, Kaiche.
Okay, then we end the meeting lah. Bye bye.
Thank you.